Hey guys, welcome back to the Hobby Farm Homestead. My garage is getting a little bit crowded. We've got our brooder set up for our meat birds. This bigger area is going to be for the chickens, and then the smaller area for now will be for the turkeys. So we got all our feed. Brought this in yesterday. I think there's like 55 bags there, but that'll feed the meat birds and then continue to feed the turkeys. All right, so that being said, we had some serious wind come through here a day or two ago, and it blew some limbs off this dead tree that's next to my garage. So I've got to get over there and get it all cleaned up, but it fell on the fence. You see it over there? It's right there. Come off that tree. That tree's dead. I need to get it down or it ends up falling on the garage. Baxter, what are you doing? That stick's too big for you. Really? Yeah, but it did come down on the fence a little bit. Eventually, I'm going to get rid of all these trees because I do want to put another garage right here. That's a pretty substantial limb. But I'm going to get this all cleaned up. Get some of those pine limbs cut off there and fix the fence. All right, guys, I'm gonna get to work. All right, but first thing I got to do today is I got to put these hydraulic hoses on the John Deere. These hoses have all been replaced over the years. These two here were the last ones that have never been replaced, and one blew out on me when I was moving a round bale. So I put the hoses on and check the hydraulic fluid. I'm sure it's low. So let's get at that. All right. So I've got them all on. Now I just add some hydraulic fluid. Let me check it right now, see what it looks like. Oh yeah, definitely needs some. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the hydraulic fluid. It's a 5-gallon bucket, which sucks trying to pour it in here, but it's probably 3 or 4 gallons low. So, all right, guys, I'll get back with you in a minute. No, it'll be probably beginning of May.
So soon. Is that a wheel?
Hydraulic fluid. All right, well, got it all cut up. Now I just got to clean up these limbs, get them drug over to the burn pile, and see if I can tighten up that poly tape on my fence there, because it looks like it hit that, loosened it up a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this cleaned up, and we'll try to fix that fence.
Okay. All right, well, got that all cleaned up over there. I mean, there's a few more sticks and stuff I got to pick up. I need to get this wood split here pretty soon, but it's so wet around there. I just don't want to get my feet soaked. But anyways, next thing we're going to do is we're going to try to get some of this stupid little twigs cleared out of here. I'll use my smaller saw. I don't know what that stuff is, but it just grows wild. So we can try to get some of this cleaned up. All right, guys, well, I got all that cleaned up. Kind of a little nervous working underneath that dead tree. It's getting kind of windy out right now, so I'm gonna call it quits. I'm gonna have to rent like a boom, some sort of boom to get up there and just cut that down, because there's no good place to just, you know, fell that tree anywhere. So I'll just have to have it, I'll get it limbed down from the top to the bottom. But anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. We got a lot of things coming up. We just moved the sheep over to the little barn, get them situated there. So that's coming up. We'll get some video of that. And if you want to see anything else, just give me a comment down below and we'll get some video of it. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next one.